Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Swipe to split screen. First, understand that split screen allows you to view and interact with two applications simultaneously on your device. This powerful feature significantly enhances your multitasking capabilities, making it easier to manage different tasks without constantly switching between apps. It is a very efficient way to work or browse. To begin, open the first application you wish to use. Next, perform a gentle swipe up from the very bottom of your screen to access the Recent Applications menu. Now, locate the icon of your first app at the top of its card in the Recent Apps view. Press and hold this icon for about 2 seconds, then select the Split Screen option from the small menu that appears. With your first application now occupying one half of the screen, the other half will display your recent applications or app drawer. Simply tap on the second application you want to use. It will instantly fill the remaining space. You can then easily drag the central divider bar up or down to adjust the size of each application, giving one more or less screen real estate as needed. To exit split screen mode, simply drag the central divider bar all the way to the top or bottom edge of your screen. This action will close one of the applications and return your device to a full-screen view of the remaining app or your home screen. Alternatively, closing either of the two applications will also automatically end the split screen session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.